All right, welcome in, you trader nerds. How are y'all? It is cold here, and we went to the Mercedes-Benz uh, Dome or Stadium last night and watched the Bowden Red Devils get a back-to-back state championship. So I'm wearing my Bowden Red Devil shirt today, and I wore it last night. And this morning, we got home at 1 o'clock in the morning from Atlanta. And I rolled out of bed this morning and took a whore bath. Now, for those of y'all that don't know what a whore bath is, let me tell you, I learned this from my mama. When a prostitute finishes her business and she's got another customer on the way, she ain't got time for a full-blown, hey, Calgon, take me away, and I'm going to lay down into the bathtub and, wash everything up. So a whore bath is where you just wash the unmentionables. You know what I'm saying? So I took me a whore bath this morning. As my mama would say. So anyway, we're ready to go though. So good day, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful day. And looks like our counts are just buzzing today. Just amazing. Now, yesterday, you'll remember that, yeah, it is too much information, Glenn. You're right. Look at this, y'all. The account yesterday where we did the remember we did the AIM yesterday? Look at this, y'all. I mean, this thing is up $1,400 on the day. Wow. AMD and NVIDIA must really be up. Let's say NVIDIA is up 3.85 and AMD is up 355. So I bought those at a good time. Now, if we look at that spreadsheet, see if it's flashing any type of sign now to buy or do something. Now, remember, we're going to ignore any action on this thing until we, until we get to the end of the month. But let's just pretend that the price of AMD went up to 180 a share. See what it does? It gives you a flash to sell 48 shares. In other words, to take some off the top. So if we don't get any signal, we'll just kind of leave this as it is. But it's really, really cool how this thing kind of works, keeps up with your stock basis and everything. And I got to fix that chart because it doesn't show me the amount that we've got into NVIDIA. Okay, I can fix that though. But anyway, if anybody y'all want to follow along, how to make $1 million in the stock market automatically by Robert Lucello, you can follow along in that account. So today, though, is the day where we do our little IRAs. Let's see what the market's doing today. Chart. Wow, up 0.10%. So a nothing burger. Looks like it's going to be a range day. 80% of days are range days. And volume is really, really, really low, y'all. Nobody's trading. Everybody's getting ready for Christmas and Hanukkah, Chamanica, harmonica, whatever y'all getting ready for. So everything looks good. Everything looks good. Let's look at our big green monster. Probably nothing to see there. Oh, wow. We are trickling upward. Let's get our green lines on there. And we are fairly priced. As we see, we've gone through the 50. Our next target above, y'all, get ready. The next target above is 48.27. So big fair market zone. But we are up and away. Let's see what the linear regression looks like. Probably nothing to glean from it, but linear regression, wow, had a good day of volume yesterday, though. So we're kind of flatlining out again, aren't we, on the linear regression? All right, so let's trade our IRAs. Let's see how we're doing today. IRAs, we'll go to the Bobby Beth 2030. This is the Roth IRA, if my memory serves me correctly. Let's see how we're doing with the Roth IRA. Come here, little baby. Roth IRA. We are at 29,821. 29,821. Is that enough to fire up the band? 29,821. 29,821. It is indeed 29,821. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on up to the side to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
And our Greeks and ratios are 2120. What, that guy got shot, Beth? Oh, the player for the team we played last night was found dead over the weekend. Very, very sad. I'm thinking we're probably in the 12 handle on volume on VIX. Let's see, let's make sure what VIX is. Yeah, VIX is almost in the 11 handle. Isn't that cool? So let's go back and look at our spreadsheet, our Rother spreadsheet. Buying power usage is 7,600. 7,600. Okay, y'all, we're a little blue. We need a little juice in the old grinder here. See if there's anything we're supposed to close. No, let's take these out and just show the blanks. There we go. So nothing to close or manage, but we do need to put a trade on. We just don't have enough theta in the old tank here. So we'll go trade MES. And let's see, where do we go? 120 days. So we got 129 days here. So let's go to the 5% probability of being in the money. And that's this 38.50. And we'll do 2 of those. And we'll try to jump it up to 14.75. Come on, baby. Yeah. 38.50, 14.75. 38.50, 48.75. 38.50, 14.75. And we said that was 129 days. Put that on there. So we got 2 of them. And this is a NP 103. Puts naked 129. In the year of our Lord 12/12/23. Beautiful. Let's put in our put debit spread. We'll do 1 contract. We'll call this PDS 103. And let's see where we can put that in at. So here we are, about the 25 delta. So we'll probably put it right at the same place that we've got the rest of them. Because you don't want to buy where you've sold and sold where you bought. So we'll buy there. 44.50. 4,400, probably going to be pretty cheap. 750. Let's see if we can get in for that. 750. Nope. Let's nickel our way up here a little bit. 760. Come on, little baby. I got nothing but time. Come on. Let's go to 775. See if we can work it in there. There we go. 775 is a fill. So let's put that in. 775. And 44.50, 4,400. Beautiful. All right, then let's go put them in their groups. So we'll show our groups here. And we will go, and that one's coming off. So we'll put this in the naked puts, and we'll put this in the put debit spread. All right, let's go to the other account, the regular IRA. Here we go. And in this account, we are at 93,950. 93,950. That sounds good. 93,950. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
That looks really good, y'all. Look at this. We've made a lot of money in this account. We made $10,000 in this account this year. This is great. Love that. What'd y'all say? So let's see our Greeks and ratios here. We are at 43, 48, 43, 48, 48. That ain't good at all. VIX is 12, and we're only using buying power of 18,300. 18,373. See if it says we need to manage any of our trades or not. Nope, everything looks good. Let's clear those out. Just show our blanks, which will be our open positions. So every open position is fine, but it looks as though, y'all, we're going to need to do a double lotter here, a 2 lotter. So let's do this. Let's copy that down twice. And let's do a 4-2. Naked put 103, PDS 103. And what we're going to try to sell it, 38.50. Puts naked 129, 12, 12, 23. All right, so let's go sell those 38.50s. So trade 129 MES. Make sure I'm in the right time. 38.50s. Yep, right here. We'll try to get them at 14.75. 2, 3, 4. I'm on, baby. Yeah, 14.75. Let's put that in. 14.75. Brought in a lot of premium, y'all. $289. And let's go buy the put debit spread. Puts debit spread 129, 12, 12, 23. And let's see what we can get that for. Got to do a double truncher. So buy here. Hold your control key down and sell there. 775. Do 2 tranches. And we are filled at 775. Okay, that's it. All right, so now y'all have a good rest of your day. It's time for me to go with the rest of the class, and we'll go do our treasury bills. Y'all have a good day. See y'all tomorrow.